Yo, welcome to this video, Learning Machines. In this video, I want to talk about how to make money with simple porn ads, okay? It may sound a little weird, the title and everything like that, but it's very serious because you can make big money literally doing this kind of stuff, okay? Now, these ads, they don't have to have nudity or anything like this. I mean, like, you can use adult advertising sites and basically advertise mainstream stuff or adult stuff or dating stuff and all this stuff relevant to that space and adult industry stuff. But you can literally do drop shipping. You can literally promote freaking ClickBank offers. You can promote affiliate offers outside of just dating. And it's like you make these ads and it's not strict at all. It's one of the biggest opportunities ever. And I want to spread the awareness about this. It's a very big deal. I make a lot of money with this and I've made over $1 million with the power of simple porn ads or just adult marketing in general. Just the power of that traffic. It's the cheapest in the world. There's so much of it. It's not strict at all. Okay. This is why I love it so much. You don't need to see anything. All you do is you set up campaigns and you just leverage the traffic. Okay. This is the same people over on Facebook, really. Okay. The same people over on YouTube, and you can advertise for them for way cheaper. Okay. The cost per 1,000 people on Facebook or YouTube or anything like that, which I love those platforms to advertise on because they're a little bit higher quality. But when you know what you're doing, and you get in front of literally hundreds of thousands of people, okay, per 1,000 impressions is like 30 cents on average, okay, or less or a little bit more with adult traffic. And it's like $20 to $50 per 1,000 with Facebook and freaking YouTube, if you don't know that, okay? So it's very crazy. Now, there's two ways you can advertise with adult. There's freaking banners, and then there's Pop Under, okay? Pop Under is crazy cheap, okay? And then there's banner traffic, and there's tricks of how to use each one of these. There's huge tricks, in fact. But in general, like I said, have a great offer, okay? Absolutely fantastical, no-brainer, irresistible offer, okay? And then you just run traffic to it 24/7. But first, you optimize, okay? After you've tested for a few days with a decent budget of like $20 to $50 per day, you basically get all this data and now you optimize with your best performing ads, best performing landing pages, best performing offers if you're split testing offers, okay? Like I said, this can work for just offers like drop shipping, physical products, or your own digital products, or freaking affiliate marketing other people's stuff and earning a commission. All of these work, all these make crazy money every single time, okay? It's funny because most people don't realize this, and I'm glad in some ways because there's no competition, but at the same time I see the opportunity. I'm like, I am willing to talk about it and network with people and absolutely spread the awareness and share with people powerful stuff that can change their life. Because if I could change someone else's life, I know how that feels, and that is one of the best feelings in the world. Okay, I make well over $10,000 per day, and it is the most gratifying feeling in the world, and there's no better feeling than that. And I feel like people lose their purpose when they don't know what they're doing for work each day, or they're not hitting their goals, or at least moving towards goals and seeing that it's possible. Because when you know things are possible, you can hit it and keep improving. Because just so you know, 100,000 per day is possible. There are people doing that. There's people making millions per day, but that's big businesses. It's very doable, and it's life-changing stuff, and you really only need $1,000 per day, okay? I don't even spend $1,000 per day on just living and stuff like this, really, okay? Sometimes I'll make big purchases here and there, but at the end of the day, do you really need that much money? And the truth is, it's a good way of keeping score, and it is a superpower in today's world. And if you want to make freaking money with adult marketing, you can absolutely make money. It's one of the easiest ways to make money I've ever seen. Learning it and doing it is easier than doing anything else, okay? Making a video like this, it took me a long time to just be able to make a video like this and just talk. And it takes a lot of people a long time too. And then just on the total and other end of the spectrum, if you're able to set up a simple ad, you don't have to work a day in your life ever, man, ever. Okay, it's so simple, okay, because you literally set up ads and make money and flip cash all day long. You don't need that much money to start out either, okay? You maximum need like $500, and even below that, okay, that's maximum. Minimum, you only need like $100. First, you need the knowledge. So if you want to learn, watch these videos on this channel. If you want even more in-depth knowledge, I literally have trainings, and if you want very special methods that demolish, okay, and literally help you crush it. I have that. Okay, I have that available for you. You can check that out. The link is down below. All the links are down below. And yeah, guys, you can literally get signed up on freaking affiliate networks, all this stuff, and just demolish it, bro. make so much money, okay? Because these networks have super high converting offers, and when you know what you're doing with the right training, I tell you guys what exactly to do, okay? It's really powerful. So yeah, that's basically all there is to say basically about that, okay? You basically have ads, you're split testing, you could sell anything on these sites. Mainstream stuff and adult stuff, doesn't matter either way, they both make you money, okay? So it's like, what do you want to do? At the end of the day, do you want more money? This is huge, okay? Thank you so much for watching Learn Machines. I'll see you guys in more videos. Peace out.